Hi guys, so today's lesson is a continuation of yesterday's lesson. We're going to be using the same 6 vocabulary words that you used yesterday in today's lesson. So yesterday you did vocabulary words where you picked, you found dictionary definitions for them and then you created your own definition. Today, you are going to be writing a paragraph. Now, this can either be 6 separate paragraphs for each word or one long paragraph containing all 6 words. It doesn't matter to me how you do it, I just need all 6 words in some kind of a sentence formatting. So again, either 6 individual paragraphs, 1 word per paragraph, or 1 large paragraph with all words in it. Does not matter. So, as I did yesterday, I have come up with an example for you. I'm using the same word, which is audible. So this paragraph right here is my example for you. So it reads, "There was an audible change in his voice when he started talking about his mom. His voice changed into something softer, more understanding. After a short moment of pause, he finally said, 'I miss her.'" So the paragraph that I have written, the word audible makes sense in the context of it. So this is kind of what I'm looking for. Sorry, that's my cat. If you can tell, she's showing you her butt. So this is kind of what I'm looking for from you guys for today. And then tomorrow I'll be back with another video for you using the same 6 words. So that is all today. I will see you again tomorrow.